So consider an object here of mass 50 kilograms placed on a smooth plane. So we can put our weight in here. So we've got our weight acting downwards, which is 50g. Okay, and then the reaction then, which is perpendicular to the plane, and then don't forget then to put in the dotted line there. So we know then that this angle here is 30 degrees, and my reaction there. Okay, so it says a force P acts parallel to the inclined plane. Okay, and is pushing the object up the plane. So some force here is pushing it, right? Now, if there's a push being applied to the object, okay, it's coming from this direction, isn't it? There's a push here pulling it in this direction. But we don't really want to have a force acting on the object, right? We want to have a force is acting away from the object. So if we think of this pushing here up the plane, it's exactly the same as it being pulled up the plane. It's no different. Okay, so you can call it P, as it says in the question. Okay, so it is being pushed, but it's just the same really as being pulled. It's the same force. Instead of writing it here with an arrow here, we're going to just draw it there. Okay, so you've got it applied there at the other side of the object. So all the forces then are acting away from the object. Okay, it just makes it clearer. So we've got that then. So we've labelled all the forces. Okay, so it gives us the acceleration, and they want us to find P. Now, don't forget then, we need to, as well as label the forces, we need to put the component in of the weight. Okay, so remember then, with the angle there, 30 degrees, that's going to be 50g cos 30, and then we're going to have 50g sine 30 here. Okay, so then because it's going up the plane, we're accelerating there up the plane. Okay, so using Newton's second law in the direction of motion, well, we've got this push P taking us up. Take away then the 50g sine 30. That will then equal to mass, which is 50 times the acceleration. Now we know the acceleration is 0.75. Okay, so we can put that in, mass times acceleration. So to get P then, we'll work that out on our calculator, and then we'll take that 50g over the other side, okay, which of course would be 50 times 9.8 times sine 30 then. So if I do that on my calculator, I get, it comes out to be 282.5 newtons. Okay, have I done that right there? That's my answer there. It's newtons because it's obviously a force. All right, so we use Newton's second law there to get our solution.